Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit and it's Tuesday, Turnaround Tuesday, June 24th, and this is a VR tutorial update looking at the sequential VR indicator. And on your screen is the S&P Spiders, SPY, and as you can see, Leibovit Negative VR was formed 2 days ago, and that was the trigger for this decline. And here we are looking at a downward spiraling market. The question is it a couple day affair or something more significant? If we look at previous Leibovit negative VRs, and if you scan across the screen, you can see sometimes they're 1 or 2 day affairs, a bounce and back down again. So you really don't know if this is something more significant. The only thing I might point out though is if you want to revert back to the mean, which you could call the 50-day moving average, which is well down here, you could be looking at a pullback into the low 1900s in the S&P, if indeed this is something more significant. The stochastic is in a downtrend. That's the 533 stochastic. And, there could be a little bit of room here. In the past, when the market reverses back to the upside, my stochastic does tend to turn higher, and it doesn't appear to be on the verge of doing that right here. So I give the downside the benefit of the doubt. A mental stop for this would be today's high in the S&P. If you are trading, that's well above the market at 1968.17. If we bounce tomorrow, that might present a short sale opportunity if you're not already short the market, and using today's high as a stop. Reason I mentioned that is because that's where the reversal occurred from today. Today's high in the spiders was 196.50, and the high here just before the negative VR was 196.60. But pretty much I would call today's high in the cash S&P that 1968.17, or either today's high in the S&P spiders a good mental stop for the trade. Meanwhile, that's a picture of how the VR works here and how there was a warning, and that's really what this is all about, that you did have a warning here, and this is one of the reasons why at vrtrader.com we really haven't been long stocks here the last couple of days. For the most part, I've been focusing more on the precious metal shares because of my concern of this Leibovit negative VR and the fact we might have hit a short-term top. And there are other considerations as well that I discuss in the VR Trader newsletter. But that's it for now. Have a pleasant day. Thanks for checking in.